This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, thank you for joining. So yesterday we have discussed about ls command, pwd, ls minus l, ls minus a, cd, mkdir, clear, cd dot dot, cd negation, mv, cat command, and ls minus a, and whatever touch command. So let's go very deeply into the commands. Now, so we have again cat command is there. So cat command display the content of the file. So which command is used to display the content of the file? We will be using cat command. Okay. So let's go here with dash. So ls. Now we can go clear and then cd, then Xpresdata. So now you have files. Okay. So let's display content of the file sample.txt. Okay, I'm clearing the screen. Check where you are now, that is Xpresdata. Now cat command, then sample.txt. So now see here, you are going to display the content of the file. So if you see here, now let's see. So when you go to our folder, now you have a sample file. Now you are going to get. So this is from the window, like Windows operating system in the folder, and at the same time we are going to display through Unix. So which command is used to display content of the file? You can use cat command. So again, and ls. So we have cat command sample.txt and one more cd.txt. So you can display like this. Okay. So you can have n number of files you can display using content like a cat command to display content of the files. So that is basic level. So there are so many things using cat command. Now you can say cat command can display multiple files also. Cat command can display content of the multiple files. Now, so cat command create a file with a new file name and open for editing. So if you want to create a new file and you want to add something, some information to the content, like any content to the some file, then we are going to use cat command. Okay. So for example, I am going to take it like cat, then greater than or equal to, then file you can take batch 100.txt. So whenever you are enter here, it will add some content. Okay. I, and this is under group. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Now I just control D you can. So you can see control D means you are going to close the file of the content. Control plus D. Directly you can do that. Okay. So let's go ahead here. Now ls command. Where is the file? The file name is batch 100. This is the file. Now, the first one, content. How to display the content? Cat and then file name. 100.txt. That the content is on. If we go and see, the file is created here itself. See here, the file is created. Okay. So now this is how to display the content, how to create the file. So display the content, cat file name, create a file means cat greater than or equal to, then file name and add some content. Now we have some other operation for the cat command here. Cat double greater than here. So create a file with a new file name and open for editing, or open an existing file and appending the data. For example, guys, here now cat double greater than batch 100.txt, and I am from India. So some content is there, control plus B, and then it is going to append the existing file. So already some content is there. How to display the content? Cat batch 100.txt. You got my point? So if you enter and then it is going, so the cursor, whenever we are closing the cursor, right, that time you should give enter, then it will add. For example, now what we are doing, I am going to append some more content. Batch 100.txt. So we are from India. Now cursor is blinking here, right? You should enter. It will go down and then close it. Now go on verify and display the content. Now see here, we are going to add the content in multiple ways. So what we are going to do here, two operations you must understand this. One is cat file name to create a file, and cat file name to open the content, and cat greater than or equal to file name, that is creating a new file, cat double greater than file name, that is appending the content. Suppose cat double greater than batch 99.txt. There is no file available in Xpresdata directory that batch 99.txt. Now if there is no file is existed, if we are doing double greater than using cat operation, it is going to create new file. Hi, great to be here. So blink and then bye. So then you can enter the cursor, because to add the content from the next line onwards. So if you keep cursor here, it will add the content here only. But now cursor is in this. Okay. Then let's see that, or you can see, because no file is there, but double greater than is there. Actually, this is appending purpose, but there is no file name. It is going to be created as a new file. Batch 99 file is created. If there listen carefully, whenever we are trying to append the data using cat command, if there is no file is existed when you are trying to append the data, then automatically it is going to create a new file with the same content. For example, so now let's see cat batch 99.txt. Hi, great to be here, and then I'm appending the data again, batch 99.txt. Thank you. Okay. Now see here, now content of the file cat batch 99.txt, and that is displaying we created which file, that is where I confuse batch 99 at batch 99.txt. Okay, because it's overridden, right? Okay, sorry, it's overridden. Now cat double, actually I did for only single. Where is that? This one I have done, so not like that. Now cat double greater than, then batch 99.txt welcome. So now cat batch 99.txt. Now see here, that is added in the next line. Whenever you are created any content, after that you can press enter, cursor will go here, and then it will add content from the next line. Okay, so this is how we are going to do three activities. One is cat file name cat, so I will write it here to understand. To display content, and here this one to create a new file, to create a new file, or it will override the file also, and to append the data, append the content. Okay, this is now, because regularly we use this cat command. Now cp command is also there, so where we can call it as copy of the file. Suppose let's see ls. Now mkdir, already test1 is there, right? cd test01, there is only one file, that is test.txt. Now here cp come, let's see cd dot dot, first let's go and clear. We are in Xpresdata folder, then ls file, so india.txt is there. Okay, now cp india.txt to slash test01, then india.txt. It should be okay. Now go to test1 folder, cd test01. Now ls, it is available or not? It is copied from where? Xpresdata folder onwards, and then it is copied to test1 folder from Xpresdata 2. So let me try one more example here. So cd dot dot, now you can see present working Xpresdata folder ls. Now if you want to do cd dot or cd test01 folder ls, how many files? Only two files will be there. Now I am trying to Hyderabad underscore data.txt, that file. I am going to copy it into test1 folder. Okay, so what you will do, clear, first go to Xpresdata folder, present working directory, cp copy command, then which is the folder? Hyderabad data.txt, folder name test01, then you can see hyderabad.data.txt. Now go on, because we have seen only two files there in test1 folder, go to cd test1. Now where you are, first you see You are in Xpresdata. Go to test01. Now you can go and list the file. Yes, Hyderabad.txt file is copied successfully. So why this is important means in the real time, when you are working in the real time, client will give you client path, okay, client folder. Now your folder is Arjun, client folder is Quinton, whatever. Now you need to copy the files. Got my point? Then you can use cp command. Cp command, first you can go to client folder, that means source folder and a destination folder. Source address and destination address you can use cp command, all files will be transferred. Sometimes zip files will be there and all. See, this is very simple, but the thing is regularly we use these activities. Now, so now let's see, there is mv command, very important question. What is the difference between cp and mv command? Cp is a copy, move, like you can see, cp command copy the data from one file to another file. But when you go here, move command, move the data from one file to another file, but old file will not be existed. That means rename the old file to new one. Most typical question, guys, how to rename a file? Some people will use rename command. There is no rename. mv command only, it is going to rename old file to new file. Okay, carefully understand that. So that is cp command, okay, and mv command to rename old file to new file. Okay, this is to copy the content of the file. Okay, so there is slight difference, but interview question is what is the difference between cp and mv command, or else what command is used to rename the file? That is mv command. For example here, so now let's see, now what I am trying to do, I am going for Xpresdata folder, present working directory, ls command is there. So here usa.txt will be there. Okay, so you can display content first of all, usa.txt. So some content is there. Hi, I am from USA, I am from Texas, my name is John, working in UTC company, thank you. Now this I am going to move. Whenever I am moving from this folder to another folder, if I am using mv command, this file won't be available. Old file will not be exist in the current folder. It is copied to another folder, but old file will. But if you use copy command, this is also will be available and new folder also will be available. That's the difference of cp and mv command. Okay, so let me do mv command. mv usa.txt, now test1 folder. Now I am using here america.txt. So now whatever I am using USA, that is in the next folder of test1 subfolder, there will be america.txt. So now let's see, guys, now where you are now, you are moving from Xpresdata folder to test1 folder. Let me try to display ls command. Is there USA file? Actually America is available in Xpresdata also, don't confuse. Okay, I am asking only one command, that is one file, that is USA is not there. If you want to display usa.txt, that no such file or directory, because it is moved with the new name of America into the test1 folder. So go to test1 folder, and display. Is there? Yes, america.txt. You can display the content of the file america.txt. See now, hi, I am from USA. I am from Texas. My name is John. I am working in UTC company. Thank you. It is converted into a new file name. Old file will not be available in the source definition. That is the usage of cp command and mv command. Okay. Now rm command. Rm command remove the files from the current directory. Rm command can't remove the directories. So one more interview question: how to remove the file, or else how to delete the file? So how to delete the file or how to remove the file? Both will be rm command in Unix. Rm means remove. Remove the files, only files, not directories. Rm command is only remove the file names. I am giving you very clear cut information. Now still if you are not getting, that is your understanding skills. I am telling you how to remove the file name, rm command. Okay. It's not going to be, if reverse question they will ask. Now I want to remove Arjun directory name using rm command. Possible or not? Not possible. Because rm command is going to remove only file names, not directories. Okay. Let's go ahead here. So rm command is to remove the file, not directories. Okay. Now go to cd dot present working directory ls command. Now I want to remove one file, that is c.txt. Okay, first let me see what content is available at c.txt. c.txt text file. No content is there. I don't want to remove that. So which take one more file, that is okay, we'll go with the sample.txt. Okay, so first you can see sample.txt, some content is there. Now I am going to remove this file, or else we'll go directory rm test01. Now you cannot remove the directory because test1 is a directory. Sample1 sample.txt is the file name. So rm sample.txt. That's it. Now go on display. There is no sample file here because you removed. Once you removed, you cannot get back. In Unix, you should be very careful with some operations. Whenever you remove, you cannot get back. Okay. rm command is going to remove the file. Not only file. Now see here, n1, n3, n4 will be there. Okay. So now what I am doing here, present working directory, rm n1.txt, n3.txt, n4.txt. That's it. Content. Remove multiple files also. Now let's see. Where is n1, n3 and n4? No, it is removed. So that is rm command. Okay. Now see here. Now we have wc command is there. wc command display the number of lines, number of words, number of bytes from the file. So let's go here. ls command, that is you can take country.txt. So display content country.txt file. So these are the files will be there. These are the content will be there. The content is now wc word count. We can call it as wc means word count. Now I want to count the lines, wc-l file name. country.txt. Now 7 lines will be there. Now they will ask one more important interview question. WC means count of lines, words, and character bytes, you can say, in language. So if you want, you can see how to find out number of records from the file. Most important direct question in interview. Okay, how to find out number of records. Records means number of records will be there. Number of rows, you can say, that is WC-L, then file name. This is that. Okay. So now number of words, how many words will be there? WC-W and T dot txt. Okay. Number of words. 1 second. Not 7. 1 second here. So WC hyphen file. 1 second. So WC hyphen words actually. Why this is WC hyphen L, that is a number of lines. Somewhere I missed. 1 second. Minus W. It's working. I don't. Let me check. 1 second, guys. So let me take one more file. File name is ls. Take one more state. State also fine. No. America.txt. Cat America.txt. Now WC hyphen W country.txt. Why sir? Say America, sorry. Okay, 21 words. So in the file, if it is a record, it is 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, here you see all words you can say. You can collect 21 words will be there. But country, na, it is a record wise, it is taken with the comma separated. That's why. So now 21 words will be there. Now you can see WC L America.txt. Now 6 lines will be there as it is. Okay, these 6 lines, 21 words, and how many characters also there? 10, sorry, check. WC-C America.txt. That is 87 characters will be there. So can we bring all things together? Yes. Minus L, minus W, minus C, file name, that is America.txt. Okay. 6 lines, 21 words, 87 characters will be there in America.txt file. If it is a big file, you can able to do. So in the real time, whenever we are loading the data from one file to table, and sorry, then you need to verify in Unix, you need to verify in the table. So those you need to compare with these records. That is WC command, word count, very important interview question. Now we have sort command is there. Sort command will sort the data in a file based on the first column. So first you can go and see ls command. There is country, as we discussed, at country.txt. Now see guys, here 101, 102, 101, 107, 106. It's not properly sorted. Now what you will do, sort country.txt. Now see here, 101, 101, 102, 103, 106, 107, 107. Sort command is going to sort the data based on the first record, so first column. Okay, fine. But still, and after that, this country, same, it won't change again. Country.txt. See, as it is 101, 102, 101 again. So it is just sorted, we displayed the data. But I want to store this sorted data into another file. That is the beauty. Now what we will do, let's see. Sort country.txt. Okay, append, after append, then what we will do here, you can see yes, then country.txt. So please check the name. There is sorted country also in the files, but you can see in this file. Okay. Now whatever sorting the data I am going to store here. Okay. Now it is completed. Now ls command. There is yes country.txt. Always it will store like cat yes then country.txt. Sorted data is available here. So sorted data is stored in another file. Now you don't need to use sort command each and every time, because already sorted data is there. Then you can go and see this. So this is country.txt. After sorting, this is the sorted data. Okay. Now we have unique command is there. Unique command remove the duplicate that are sequentially present in the line. Now whenever I'm using, carefully understand, cat then what is the cat then country, right? Country.txt. So here 101 India 345. 101 India 345. Now unique command I'm using, unique country.txt. Now 101 India 345, 101 India 345. But what is the definition here? Unique command remove the duplicate that are sequentially presented in the file. But it is not deleting. Unique command is not working fine here. So what you will do, whenever you are performing any unique command here, you should first go with the sorted data, then you can apply with the unique command. So what you will do, you can apply on sorted data. So let's see now unique then s dot, because it's a sorted data, right? Country. Now it is deleted duplicate, 101 deleted and 107. 107 345, 107 UK 87. That's not be duplicate. Only 107 India 345 will be duplicate there. So which means first you need to sort the data, then go with the unique command to delete the duplicate record. Now still cat country.txt, but still available it is there 345 345. So what you will do, again you can create a new file with the unique data. After deleting, you can add the content into another file. So what you will do here, unique sorted country.txt appending on unique u underscore country.txt. Yes. Now let's see ls command. Where is ls command here? So where is yes u country data. Now go and display u country data. That u country.txt. It's deleted duplicates. So what we will do guys here, first cat country.txt. This is the given file, cat s.country.pl. This is a sorted file, and cat u.country.pl. This is a unique data. So this is a given file, sorted data, and unique data without duplicates. So that's the beauty of here, sort command and unique command. Okay, sort and unique. So to remove the duplicate records or content, and here to sort the data, first call. Okay, so as we know, present working directory display current directory where you are now. When you log in, first you need to verify where you are. Without verifying if you work on it, you are working in some other folder, means all the files will be deleted from other employee. It is going to create a big issue. That's why even it is very simple command also. Whenever you log in, just verify each and every time where you are saving, where you are deleting, where you are appending, everything you need to, where you are creating a file, everything you need to verify always whether you are going to be in your folder or not. Okay, so okay guys, meanwhile you can verify these commands. Okay, because these are regularly project related commands we will be using. Okay, and I have already shared some mock test papers also for Unix. You try it. Okay, and then you can see tomorrow I will explain some other commands, and along with the, let's say, some other command along with the some shell scripting, simple one. Okay, don't need to worry about it. Okay, only 5 questions, not more than that they may ask for a ETL testers, but I am giving you as a developer related thing. Even whatever they will ask question, you are going to answer that. Okay, so that's all guys, see you tomorrow.